Good morning, students. Standard 8, Subject Maths, Chapter 10, Visualizing Solid Shapes. Now, our next chapter 10, Visualizing Solid Shapes. In visualizing solid shapes are 2D shapes and 3D shapes. What is a 2D shapes? 2D shapes means two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are plane figure with only two measurement, length and width, are called 2D shapes. Example of 2D shapes are triangle, square, rectangle, circle, etc. Now, what is a 3D shapes? 3D shapes means are three-dimensional shapes. It's solid figure with three measurement, length, width and height, are called 3D shapes. Some examples are given here: cuboid, cube, or cylinder, round. These all are the different types of 3D shapes. Now, views of 3D shapes. As the 3D shapes are solid in nature, so they may have a different view from different sides. Now here one figure is given. These are the front view, this is the side view, and this one is the top view. When we draw the top view, front view and side view on paper, then it will look like this. See students, it will look like this. Now, some examples. Draw the front view, side view and top view of the given figure. Now here one figure is given, that is a figure of a dice. This is a front view, this is a side view, and this one is a top view. In front view there is only 3 dots. In side view only 1 dot, and in top view only 2 dots. So this one is a top view, this one is a front view, and this one is a side view. Now come to the exercise 10.1. Question number 1. For each of the given solid, the two views are given. Match for each solid the corresponding top and front view. The first one is done for you. Now students, see here, some figure is given. First one is bottle, second one is weight, third one is flask, then cup and saucer, and last container. Here side view and top view is given, so we can choose the correct one. First one is already done. Third one is the side view of bottle, and in this table fourth one is a top view of the bottle. Now second one is weight. Weight, which one is the side view? In column side view, first one is the side view. And which one is the top view? Anybody? Yes, fifth one is a top view. Now see, third one is a flask. Side view is a fourth one, and in top view that is a second one. And in cup and saucer, which one is the side view? Fifth one is the side view. And which one is the top view? Third one is a top view. Now next one is container. Side view is a second one and top view is a first one. Now come to the question number 2. For each of the given solid, the three views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front and side view. Now first figure is a almirah. Now here given size is front, side and top. Now which one is this picture? This is the front view. This one is the side view, and this one is the top view. Now next one is matchbox. In matchbox is also given side, front, side, top. Now which one is this picture? This one is the side view. This one is a front view, and this one is a top view because figure is given on the top of that side. Now next one is a television. In television, this is a front view, this one is the top view, and this one is the side view. Now which is the figure? Top, front or side? This one is a front side because mirror is given. Now which one is this figure? This is the side view. And which figure is? This is the top view. Now next figure is a car. Car is, this one is a front view, this one is a top view, and this one is a side view. Now which figure is this? This figure is a front view. Which figure is this? This figure is the side view. And which figure is this? This is the top view. Now next, question number 3. For each given solid, identify the top view, front view and side view. Now here figure is given and here first, second, third one is given. You can find out the which one is the top view, side view and front view. Now this one is the figure. This 3 box. Now students see here, in front side 2 boxes, in side view that is 2 boxes, and in top side 3 boxes. Students, so 1, 2, 3, this is the top view and this one is the side view or front view, or you can use front view or side view because 2 boxes are given and same 2 boxes in front and side. Now come to the second picture. In top side there are 4 boxes, in front side 1, 2 and 3 boxes, and in side view there are 2 boxes, one this way and one this one. So 2 boxes are is a side view, 3 boxes are is a front view, and 4 boxes are is a top view. Now come to the third one. These 3 pictures, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This picture is the front view. Side view, it means 1, 2 and 3 boxes are the side view, and 1 and this one 2 is the top view. So 2 boxes are in a top view, 3 boxes are in a side view, and 4 boxes are in the front view. So 2 boxes, it means top view, 3 boxes, it means side view, and 4 boxes are is a front view. Now come to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes are in a front view, side is 2 view, and top is 1, then 2 and 3. It means 2 boxes are as a side view, 4 boxes are as a front view, and 3 boxes are as a top view. Next figure is front view. This one is a side view and this one is a top view. Now side view 1, 2 and 3. 3 is the side view. Then 1, 2, 3 is the top view. And remaining is a front view. So 3 boxes are is a in a front view. Then again 3 boxes are in a top view and 3 boxes are in a side view. Now come to the question number 4. Draw the front view, side view and top view of the given objects. Now here object is given. First one is military tent. And in this figure we have to draw front view, side view and top view. Here diagram is given. First one is military tent, top view, side view and front view. Front view, then side view and top view. So you can draw the diagram. Then second one is table. So this one is a front view, this is the side view and this one is a top view. Then hexagonal, that is front view, side view and top view. Then hexagonal block, front view, side view and top view. Then dice, front view, side view, top view. And last object is a solid. That is a front view, 2 boxes, side view, 2 boxes, and in top view, 3 boxes. So here students, here our exercise 10.1 is over. Thank you.